Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I am showing you a kit of fingernail and toenail brushes for cleaning your toenails or your fingernails. You can use these if you're going to have a pedicure or a manicure. So this is a 10-piece multicolored pack kit, which 10 pieces are only $6. So you've got two pink brushes, and they fit on your hand like this. So when you want to scrub your nails like that, or you can scrub your toenails. These are great for cleaning up dirt and grime under the toenails, as well as scrubbing your hands. It's a soft plastic bristle, very soft. So you can use this on children, a toddler, an adult, so it doesn't hurt. So it comes with two pink brushes, two green, two purple, and of course two blue. So they are plastic, and the bristles are soft bristles, and they're made of plastic. And then for scrubbing your hand or your feet, you get a little soft bristle brush, which is plastic, and then you get another one. You get two of these. So very So again, this kit is a 10 multicolored brush kit for fingernails and toenails and scrubbing your feet and your hands for only $6. And I got this off of Amazon. So this is a great kit if you need to keep your nails clean. If you work as a mechanic, this is for men and for women and for children. So if you work in an industry that where your fingernails are dirty all the time, or if you're an artist and a painter, this will be a great kit for you. So I hope this video is helpful. Again, if you want to keep those nails clean and your toenails clean, you can give one to your friend, you can give one to your boyfriend, to your girlfriend. You got many colors to choose from. And you got some brushes for your hands. And as always, thanks for watching.